What if financial freedom wasn't just a dream, but a destination you could actually reach? In The Road to Financial Freedom, Bodo Schäfer reveals a step-by-step map to building wealth and living life on your own terms. Today, I'm breaking down his most powerful lessons and how you can start your journey right now. The Road to Financial Freedom, published in 1999, this book has inspired millions across the globe. Schäfer, often called Europe's money coach, believes financial success is not about luck, it's about following proven principles with discipline. Let's unpack the roadmap. Lesson 1. Define your destination. Set clear goals. Schäfer says the first step to wealth is clarity. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom look like for me? Is it retiring early, owning your dream home, or having the time to travel without worrying about bills? Without a destination, you'll wander endlessly. Write down your goals and put a timeline on them, because a goal without a deadline is just a wish. Lesson 2. Pay yourself first. The 50-50 rule. One of Schäfer's most famous rules is to pay yourself first. He recommends saving at least 50% of every raise or extra income you receive, instead of increasing your lifestyle. This accelerates your wealth building and protects you from lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of financial freedom. Lesson 3. Kill debt, build assets. Debt drains your future. Schäfer insists on clearing high-interest debt as fast as possible, while simultaneously investing in assets that generate passive income. Think of assets as employees that work for you 24/7 without ever calling in sick. Lesson 4. Multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Schäfer suggests building at least 3 income streams. This way, if one dries up, the others keep flowing. It's not about working more hours, it's about working smarter and making money work for you. But don't focus on multiple things at the same time. Otherwise, it won't bring you any money because you are not 100% focused. Lesson 5. The millionaire mindset. Financial freedom starts in your mind. Believe you deserve wealth, educate yourself daily, and surround yourself with people who inspire you. Schäfer often says, your income can only grow as much as you do. If you want to change your bank account, change your mindset first. My conclusion. The road to financial freedom isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about consistent action, discipline, and the belief that you control your financial future. Start small. Save a little more, cut a little waste, invest a little smarter, and soon, you'll be walking your own road to freedom. You can find a link to the book in the description if you'd like to check it out. If you found this breakdown helpful, check out my other summaries where we explore more life-changing financial books. Let's build wealth together.